All right, guys, we've got the BUDI portable aluminum memory card, shockproof, scratch resistant memory card case. This thing is cool. First thing I want to show you, look how small it is. That's an AirPod case. That's the BUDI case. It's that small. This thing is so slim too. Smaller than, this is the size of a credit card. It's a little thicker than it's probably the thickness of like, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 credit cards. So it's very slim and it's super easy to use. You have a spot for, I've got my SD card adapter right there, and then one of my micro SD cards. But this has spots not just on this side, but on this side. So what you have is SD card wise, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then micro, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then on this side, you've got 7, 8. So you've got 8 micro SD card slots, 6 SD card slots, and then you have 2 slots for SIM cards. And then you even have that prong adapter for the SIM cards for getting them in and out of your phone or tablet or anything like that. And then look, boom, it's shut. They even give you a nice handle so you can put it around your wrist. You could straight up put this in your purse, put this in your pocket. This is very easy to put in your pocket. If you've got like a techie friend, maybe a videographer, a photographer, somebody who's very into tech, uses a lot of tech in their practical workday life, somebody who's using a lot of SD cards and micro SD cards. If you have someone that's constantly blowing through those and they have several different ones that they're going to at any moment in time, this is a great way to just store it and keep track of it.